Hello people! Welcome to Exploring jelaiZki. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, slap that like button, or don't share this video. Just kidding. A new positive day, new winter season, an end to sweat and light airy clothes, to bulky layers and layers of thick clothes. For a foreigner that is renting on a not-so-cheap flat in Cairo, my problem during the change of weather is I only have my luggage to store and unstore my summer clothes to winter clothes and winter clothes to summer because the cabinet in my room has little space to fit everything. By the way, since we are talking about spaces, you can click the link of my Airbnb code to get a few discount on your first booking. And you will also help me earn a little on my account that helps me book and sleep on a nice house or room for my next experience that I can share with you people. And now, we go back to my winter story. So every time, we need to do it twice a year. Actually, the bulky clothes for winter is the hard part to hang and fold and expect it to fit them all in a very little space. But the funny thing is I can check if I gain weight or not because I get to fit some clothes or some of the clothes that is out of my sight for a few months. Guys, don't get me wrong, I super love winter weather. The hot, comforting meals to warm the soul, the hot chocolates at night before bed, the hot and cold bed weather that lets you curl up and sleep more. You know what I like the most? That's why I made a video for this. And to give you an insight of what I learned the most, to be minimal as much as possible. Because when all else failed or finished in a country that you are currently living as an expat, it is more hard to just put everything in your luggage and leave. But you would need to spend thousands of money for a courier to send it back to your native country, which you never know if it will be handled with care or some of your things will get lost or stolen along the way or might not actually arrive to the destination. By the way, people, the music that I'm using in my videos are coming from Epidemic Sound, a music source used by a lot of content creators across all social media platforms, which is a highly recommended music provider. They have a lot of amazing music and sound effects. If you click the link in my description box, you will get a 30-day free trial subscription.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
I also learned this from other foreigners whose salary is not big, or they are not diplomats or sponsored by a company, who are just also taking a chance in another company to work or to travel. That is why, if you will notice, they wear almost the same clothes, is because you don't really need many, because it is the good memories and experience is what they have more. So for me, I would like to practice less and give more kindness, gratitude, and collect more positive and good memories from the place you are currently living in.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?